Checking your account balance on Synchrony Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to quickly access your balance information. Step 1. Visit the Synchrony Bank website. Open your web browser and go to the official Synchrony Bank website. Make sure you're on the correct site to ensure your security. Step 2. Log into your account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to Account Summary. Once logged in, look for the Account Summary or Accounts section on your dashboard. This section typically displays your account balances and recent transactions. Step 4. Select the account. If you have multiple accounts, select the specific account for which you want to check the balance. This will provide you with detailed information about that account. Step 5. Review your balance. Your current account balance will be displayed prominently. Take note of the balance and any other relevant information, such as available credit or recent activity. Now you can easily check your account balance whenever needed. Regularly monitoring your balance can help you manage your finances effectively.